Hi! If you live near San Francisco, doing a day trip to Angel Island can be an interesting weekend idea. For those of us who do not have a yacht, taking a ferry would be the way to reach the island. You can board ferries either in San Francisco Ferry Terminal or in Tiburon. Make sure you have round-trip tickets. The harbor looks quiet and has a few places to chill out, have a picnic, or a team-building event. There's a road that takes you around the island. Hiking, biking, or riding a shuttle are the options. The island has a curious history associated with military and customs. An army hospital dating back to the early 20th century and a discharge depot for troops returning from the Spanish-American War. A quarantine facility to prevent spread of the bubonic plague and other diseases by screening ships arriving from Asia was established in 1890. An immigration station was functioning between 1910 and 1940. The emigrants, mostly from Asian countries like China and Japan, were screened for health issues and the eligibility to immigrate based on proven family relationship to American citizens. The remnants of military installations are still very much present on the island, but very few buildings like a chapel, for example, are still in use. Most are abandoned. Overall, Angel Island is a cool place to have a relaxing walk along the coast, gaze at the Golden Gate, San Francisco Bay, and Alcatraz Prison, and learn about the local history on the way. If you can, choose a day in the middle of the working week to ensure the solitude during your trip. Thanks for watching, and good luck!
Later, when Alcatraz became a military prison, prisoners were assigned to the garden. Cultivation of the Alcatraz gardens was discontinued. By then, better quality vegetables were available more cheaply and supplied the construction of Battery Ledyard. Just to the right of the quarry site is a large weather-beaten structure. This is a rotten crusher. It was built in 1931. Army engineer. The other Coast Guard light stations are at Point Stewart and Quarry Point. These modern light stations are all automated. They serve as a constant aid to ship traffic in San Francisco Bay. The East Garrison was built shortly after Battery Ledyard. Most of the buildings here date between 1910 and 1912. This was a beautiful base. As the tram travels along Officers Row, notice the stand of cypress lining the right side of the road. These trees were originally a well-trimmed hedge. building is a museum. During museum hours, volunteers are on duty to answer your questions about the immigration station. Near the water's edge, you can see a bell on a wooden frame. This bell hung at the end of the immigration station pier, which is no longer here. Look at the grassy area to the left of the tram. The huge administration building covered this lawn. It was destroyed by fire in 1940. To be darker and has more of a blue or green tint.
The island is influenced by a lot of different currents, and the strongest currents of all are in Raccoon Strait. So the currents there can get up to 6-7 knots.
At 162 feet, Raccoon Strait is the second deepest channel in the bay. Only the Golden Gate is deeper. Turn to the Cove Cafe with a tour begins. We hope before your ferry leaves you have time to see more of Angel Island. If you have any questions about ferry schedules, bike rentals, hiking, picnics, overnight camping, special events, or other activities on the island, ask one of the uniformed park rangers and volunteers